Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from P&N Expert. In this video, we'll learn the different types of control charts, why we use them, and how to choose the right one. A control chart is a special graph that tracks a process over time. It helps us decide if the process is in control, meaning predictable, or out of control, meaning unpredictable. There are two main categories of control charts. Variable charts are for measurements like weight, length, or time. Attribute charts are for counts, like defects or failures. Let's start with variable control charts. First, the X-bar and our chart tracks the average and the range. Second, the X-bar and S-chart tracks the average and standard deviation. Third, the IMR chart is for single measurements and their moving ranges. Now, attribute control charts. The P-chart tracks the percentage defective. The MP chart tracks the count of defective items when the sample size is fixed. The C chart counts total defects on one item. The U chart tracks defects per unit when the unit size changes. To choose the right chart, ask two questions. First, can I measure it or only count it? Second, do I have one measurement at a time or a group? These questions guide you to the correct chart. Here is a quick summary table to remember the most common choices. Control charts help us spot process changes quickly. When you pick the right chart, you get clearer insight and better decisions. Thanks for watching.